Hey guys, here is my second video. I'm going to be giving you the answer to the problem in the PowerPoint. Hopefully you will have attempted it. I am begging you to attempt it before you watch this, just to try. You'll never know until you try. I'm waiting for you to go try. You can pause it. I'll still be here. Pause it, go back and try, and then you can come back and watch the video. And then you can do the happy dance when you have gotten it right on your own. Or you can just do a happy dance anyways. Okay, I'm sorry, enough blabbering. Let's go ahead and get started. So Michelle draws a picture of her boat using a scale of 1 inch to 7 feet. If Michelle's boat in her drawing is 8 inches long, how many feet long is her boat in real life? Okay, so once again, let's look. What is the info part? Well, that would be here. Mainly because, whoops, mainly there because it doesn't start with if, what, how, when, why. It's not forming a question. And this is where we're going to get all of our info. That means this part down here must be our question. It also ends with a question mark, so that's always helpful to tell. Okay, so we have our info, and now we need to look at our little helpful guide. We need to make our ratio from the problem in the info section. We're going to make our ratio to help us create the ratio to solve this problem. And then we'll need the one where we get a little bit of information from the question. So here it says Michelle draws a picture of her boat using a scale, so that would be this, of 1 inch to 7 feet. Okay, now once again, I know you cannot draw 7 feet on a single sheet of paper unless it is a very large sheet of paper. So I'm going to assume that the 1 inch is the drawing size. If I need further clarification, it says Michelle's boat in her drawing is 8 inches long. That confirms it. Inches is our drawing size. So we're going to have inches up top. And then that means feet is going to be on the bottom. If we need further clarification, it says, how many feet long is her boat in real life? Oh, it looks like a snowman. Do you want to build a snowman? Sorry, my bad. Feet. Okay, now here's where we're cheating a little bit. Normally in ratios, you're supposed to put the 1 on the bottom of the ratio, but I'm cheating a little bit. I'm going to put the 1 on top because it goes with our design, and it really doesn't matter. Anywho, not for scale anyways. Okay, so 1 inch in the drawing is equal to 7 feet in real life. Okay, so from the info, 1 inch is equal to 7 feet. And here's our ratio from the info section of the problem. Means here, look at our question. And Michelle's boat drawing is 8 inches. So we put 8 here because they gave us that. And when you cross multiply and divide, they're always going to give you 3 numbers. You're going to only be missing 1. So now we can cross multiply and then divide. 8 times 7 is 56. And then we divide that by 1, and that gives us still 56. So her boat is 56 feet in real life. That is a very big boat. It must be very fancy. I understand now why she drew a picture. That's fancy. Okay, anywho team, I will talk to you later. Okay? Great work. Bye.